I am Nitya Mittal and I secured All India rank 30 in the CA final November 2019 attempt. I am shooting this video on the suggestion of Parag Gupta sir to share my list of do's and don'ts while studying, while preparing for these CA exams. Before I start with my list, I would like to say that there is no shortcut to the success. It's the hard work which can lead you to your final destination. But yes, obviously there are certain things which you should do and which you should avoid. So I'll share my list. I'll start with my do's. The first thing which I would like to say is keep your phone aside. See, we often tend to find a reason to use our phones. Be it like looking at the revisionary classes, looking at the updates, looking at the notifications issued by the ICI. You can do all of that later on once when you are done with your 7 to 8 hours of focused study, met your day's target, then check up all of that. Next is make summary and short notes once when you are done with your thorough study. Two things I would like to say here. Once when you are done with your thorough study, because you cannot make the summary or short notes unless you are thorough with your syllabus. So start making summary once when you are done with your syllabus. Second, I would like to say is mark all the technical points in the question or the things which you often tend to forget, because एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले जो चीज रिवाइज आपको करनी ही है वो आप अलग से पहले से ही मार्क करके रखो. Moving on, the next I would like to say is analyze and go through all the previous year question papers, RTPs, mock papers and each and every material which is available on institute's website. I'm not saying that the questions are going to be repeated. It might repeat, but objective here is to analyze the pattern, decipher the pattern which the institute is following, and you will be able to do that. It's not that difficult. Next is read and speak the theoretical portion. See, I was told by my school teacher कि जब हम बोल के पढ़ते हैं तब हम एक ही मोमेंट पे 2 बार पढ़ लेते हैं. एक जब हम बोल रहे हैं, सेकेंडली उसी मोमेंट पे वो हम वर्ड सुन भी रहे हैं. And the another reason is कि most of us find the theory portions really boring and end up sleeping. So आप बोलते हुए नहीं सोओगे. So you can handle the theory while reading aloud. Next is believing in yourself. Don't lose the confidence. It happens to all of us. All of us are human beings. We often have weak moments. But just remember that कि उन सिर्फ 2-3 घंटों की वजह से अभी तक जितना आपने किया है आप उसको नहीं छोड़ सकते. So talk to the positive people around you, talk to your friends, talk to your family and get back that confidence. Next I would say is it's very important to take a break. It's very important to give something new to your mind which makes your mind feel relaxed, because do something which you love to do or like to do, be it listening music, be it walk, be it watching movies, be it extra hours of sleep. Reward yourself for putting this hard work. Now I would start with my don'ts while studying. First and foremost, very important is don't copy or imitate the strategy of any ranker, any senior or any of your friends. I'm not saying don't listen to them. Do listen, filter it out, what's suitable to you and what not. Make your own list, make your own strategy and then follow that. Next is don't exert yourself on a particular day कि आप अगले 2-3 दिन पढ़ाई कर ही नहीं रहे हो. Maintain the consistency. Consistency is very important for this examination. Make it a routine, make it a habit. So don't over exert yourself. Next I would say is don't cheat upon yourself, and by cheating I mean don't open the book for the sake of opening it. Come on, we are not little kids कि हम दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं. It's for our own sake, our own dreams and our own career. So open the book only when you want to study, or say if you have opened the book you should be studying at that point of time. Next I would say is don't hesitate to ask queries from your teacher. See, I understand कि हमें कोचिंग लिए 1-1.5 साल हो चुका होता है and we find awkward to ask queries from our teacher. No, it's not that awkward. It's not awkward at all. Message to your teacher through emails or the portal, whatever your teacher is providing to you. They are there to support us and they believe in our dreams. They are here to help all of us. So just message your queries, message your doubts. They'll help you out. Last but not the least is don't overeat and avoid junk food. Plus, intake more and more of water and fresh juices. It keeps you energetic, it keeps you fresh. Because unless your body is not fit, your mind is not going to work at all. So, have more and more of water. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and give your 100%. Because ultimately, what's going to matter is, did you give your 100% or not? Did you put in your best efforts or not? Results are not in our hands, but hard work is. So don't leave any stone unturned. Just give your 100%. All the very best for your examinations, and give your best efforts. Also, I would like to again thank you, Parag Gupta sir, for reaching out to all of his students and sharing their views and opinions, because the students can relate to us what we have gone through. They are in that phase. So thank you for this platform.